Anyway, I'm here to present why is Ostrom building the leading energy management platform in Germany or even beyond in Europe. So I was myself a consultant for over 5 years, and I have always experienced basically how backwards the current utilities are. In particular, those 3 points. The first one is there was really zero innovation except of how can I treat the client better. I really know utilities who have sold more PlayStation 3 than MediaMarkt. The second point is really about how do I treat customers. But I think the funny thing is in Germany, we don't talk about customers, but we talk about metering points. So the notion of customer centricity is just not there. And the third point is really about the state of digitalization. And I can tell you from experience, fax machines are very much alive in the energy industry and a very well-used method. But this is really not what you need in this century to really build and shape the energy transition as an energy retailer. Especially we see fundamental challenges coming up. We want to stop climate change. We want to make the energy transition happen. We want to be independent of fossil fuels. At the same time, we see rising electricity demands of heat pumps, of electric vehicles, and we also see new enablers coming into the market like smart meters. And all these together, I don't think the old incumbents will be able to solve those challenges, and we need fundamental and new customer-centric approaches to make the energy transition happening. And this is what we're building with Ostrom. So we're not building just an energy retailer, but we're really building an energy management platform which wants to make energy cheaper. So we use energy when there's a lot of actually supply available, when there's lots of wind and solar. And we want that our customers use less energy. We want to incentivize them, that we really reduce the consumption of energy. And we really make this happening by matching the demand of supply in the market and then be able to have the best tariff out there in the market. Of course, you can ask, like, is this already all possible in the German energy sector? The answer is, of course, it's not. But we have started with an approach which is basically taking those fundamental things of aligning incentives with our customers, and we have pushed this with a full 100% digitalized approach into the market. And this is what we have currently. We're the most customer-centric utility in the market. If you check our reviews, we are by far the best-rated utility on Trustpilot, on Google, the best App Store ratings. Also, we started in the second lockdown, so we had no other method of being digital. We had to be digital to even get started. So my co-founder and I, we just met, I think, 2 times in person, and we had like a very distant walk before we even started Ostrom. But this is really like the core and fundamental that we are a tech-first company and really digital-first. And the third element is about how we have structured our tariffs, which we call radically fair. We have only one simple tariff with a €6 base fees, and everything else we're passing on to our clients. So we align our incentives with the ones of our customers so that we truly can say we want you to use less energy and not more. Now you really might ask yourself, can this work and is this enough to win in the market? And there are really strong competitors out there. We have Octopus Energy, Etiba entering the market, and by far it's incredible what we have achieved in just a year. We are beating them by far. Even they have like 40 to 400 times more funding than we have. If you look at the customer ratings, we have by far, as I mentioned, the best ratings, Trustpilot, Google. We are really first and have an app. Octopus Energy is not even able to build an app in the German market, which is quite sad. And this is really the question, so how do we do this? And I think the real difference is that we are a German company, really understanding the German end consumer and have found like a go-to-market value proposition where we really nail it here. But this is not the end. We're really now pushing into smart metering. We want to enable our customers to use real-time analytics to optimize their consumption, and then also enable use cases like smart charging and smart heating here in Germany. And thus, of course, I'm here the entire afternoon, also my co-founder, so please just hit us up. We're raising our Series A to really accelerate our growth and win in Germany. Thank you very much.